What is collagen? Have you ever heard of collagen? It's one of the most abundant proteins in the human body, making up about 1/3 of our total protein content. Collagen is found throughout the body, especially in the skin, bones, muscles, joints, and connective tissues. It acts as the body's natural scaffolding, helping to maintain strength, flexibility, and structure. Function of collagen. Collagen plays a critical role in the body, giving skin its firmness and smoothness, maintaining bone strength and enhancing joint flexibility. It acts like the building blocks of the body, helping the skin resist external pressures, damage, and aging. For the joints, collagen functions like a lubricant, reducing friction and allowing for smooth and flexible movement. Benefits of collagen. However, as we age, the production of collagen gradually slows down, particularly after the age of 30. This natural decline in collagen can have noticeable effects on our skin and overall health. The loss of collagen can lead to wrinkles, sagging skin, and stiff, less flexible joints. This is when supplementing collagen becomes essential. By adding collagen supplements to our daily routine, we can help counteract these effects. It helps improve skin elasticity and moisture, making the skin look more youthful and vibrant. Reduces the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles, and supports joint and bone health, allowing for better flexibility and strength in our daily movements. BOC Sciences Collagen Products. At BOC Sciences, we specialize in providing high-quality raw materials and customized products for the global beauty industry. Our commitment to excellence ensures that we deliver only the best ingredients for your formulations. We offer various forms of collagen, including hydrolyzed collagen, which is easy to absorb and supports skin, joints, bones, and muscle health. Our hydrolyzed collagen is derived from premium sources and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its purity and effectiveness. If you're interested in our products or services, visit our website for more details. Get in touch with our professional team to discuss how we can collaborate.